What if I told you one of the world's most beloved dishes was actually born from ancient secrets, layers of love, and a little bit of pasta magic? Stay with me. The story of lasagna is way more delicious than you think. A long time ago, in the heart of Italy, in ancient cities like Naples and later Bologna, people were searching for a dish that was hearty, delicious, and different. Pasta had just been discovered and was starting to win everyone's hearts. But one creative Italian cook had a brilliant idea. Why serve pasta as noodles only? Why not layer it like a book? And just like that, the very first versions of lasagna, like a savory pasta cake, were born. Back then, it wasn't even called lasagna. The name comes from the Greek word laganon, which referred to sheets of dough. The ancient Romans had something similar called lasanum, meaning a cooking pot or dish. Over the centuries, Italian chefs perfected it. A layer of pasta, a layer of meat sauce, then creamy béchamel, and another layer of pasta, topped with melted cheese. When lasagna traveled beyond Italy, each country gave it its own twist. Today, it's a global superstar, served everywhere from fancy restaurants to cozy home kitchens. And maybe the most beautiful part of the story is, lasagna isn't just food, it's edible art made with layers of love and creativity. Onion, mushroom, green bell pepper, ground beef. Here comes the magic in the middle, our rich, flavorful lasagna filling. Alright, let me show off a little bit here, just so you don't get bored. 'Cause what's coming up next is the real soul of this dish. The juicy, flavorful, irresistible filling that takes our lasagna from good to unforgettable. Ready? Let's dive into the magic inside those layers. Want to know what makes a good lasagna absolutely unforgettable? It's all about those little secrets, the kind every Italian nonna swears by. First, don't skip this step. Always spread a generous layer of creamy béchamel sauce right at the bottom of your dish. It's a game changer. It keeps everything moist, and trust me, it makes a huge difference. Next, don't overload the filling. I know it's tempting to add a lot, but here's the thing. If you overdo it, the pasta sheets won't stick together properly and you'll lose that perfect layered texture. So go easy, a little filling goes a long way. And the final secret? Pop it in the oven. Middle rack, 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. But keep an eye on it. We want that beautiful golden top, not something burnt or overdone. Follow these simple tips and you won't just make lasagna, you'll create something truly unforgettable. Okay, so you've chopped the onions, browned the beef, sautéed the mushrooms, and layered every sheet of pasta with love. And now, your kitchen smells like something straight out of a cozy little trattoria in Rome. But wait, don't leave me just yet. Because what's coming next isn't just the final step, it's the moment everything comes together. The soul of the dish. Lasagna isn't just food. It's warmth. It's memory. It's a hug in the form of melted cheese and creamy béchamel. The final touches, how you layer that last sheet, how golden the top gets, how you wait just the right amount of time before cutting in, those are the little things that take it from just another recipe to something unforgettable. The final touches, how you layer that last sheet, how golden the top gets, how you wait just the right amount of time before cutting in, Those are the little things that take it from just another recipe to something unforgettable. So don't go anywhere. Breathe in, smile a little, and stay with me. Because the best part? It's still baking. And there it is, golden, bubbling, and absolutely irresistible. If you could smell this right now, you'd already be grabbing a fork. Thanks for cooking with me today. I hope this lasagna brings as much joy to your kitchen as it does to mine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more cozy, delicious recipes coming your way. And hey, leave a comment if you try it. I'd love to hear how yours turns out. Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling, and keep layering that love.